Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we have a special episode for all the bird lovers out there. Get ready to spread your wings and explore the fascinating world of parrots. These colorful and intelligent creatures have captured our hearts for centuries. So, without further ado, let's dive into some interesting facts about parrots. Fact number 1. Parrots are found all around the world. Contrary to popular belief, parrots are not exclusive to tropical rainforests. They can be found in various habitats, including jungles, savannas, and even deserts. From the Amazon rainforest to the Australian outback, parrots have adapted to diverse environments. Fact number 2. Parrots are incredibly intelligent. They possess an impressive ability to mimic human speech and other sounds in their environment. In fact, some parrot species, such as the African grey parrot, are known for their exceptional language skills. They can learn hundreds of words and even form basic sentences. It's no wonder they are often considered one of the smartest birds on the planet. Fact number 3. Parrots have a long lifespan. While it varies across species, parrots are known for their longevity. Some parrots can live up to 80 years, or even longer with proper care and a suitable environment. So, if you're considering getting a parrot as a pet, remember that it's a lifelong commitment. Fact number 4. Parrots have a unique way of showing affection. In the wild, parrots form strong bonds with their mates and flock members. They engage in a behavior known as allopreening, or mutual preening, where they groom each other's feathers. It's their way of strengthening social bonds and showing affection. Fact number 5. Parrots are great imitators. As we mentioned earlier, parrots have an incredible ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. But did you know they can also imitate other animals, musical tunes, and even household noises? It's their talent for mimicry that often makes them popular pets and entertaining companions. Fact number 6. Parrots come in a rainbow of colors. One of the most captivating features of parrots is their vibrant plumage. From the vibrant blues and greens of the macaws to the stunning reds and yellows of the lorikeets, their colorful feathers are a sight to behold. These hues serve various purposes, including attracting mates and camouflage. Fact number 7. Parrots are seed dispersers. Parrots play a crucial role in their ecosystems by spreading seeds as they feed on fruits and nuts. Some parrot species have specialized beaks that allow them to crack open tough shells and access the nutritious contents inside. In this way, they contribute to the growth and survival of the plants in their habitats. Fact number 8. Parrots are social birds. These avian companions thrive in the company of their flock. They engage in various social behaviors, including playing, grooming, and even sharing food. Parrots have a strong sense of community and rely on their flock for protection and companionship. Fact number 9. Parrots have zygodactyl feet. Unlike most birds, parrots have specialized feet with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. This unique foot structure, known as zygodactyly, allows them to have a strong grip, enabling them to climb, perch, and manipulate objects with ease. Fact number 10. Parrots are endangered. Sadly, many parrot species are threatened by habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these beautiful creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. Supporting organizations dedicated to parrot conservation can make a significant impact. And there you have it, folks. 10 fascinating facts about parrots that showcase their intelligence, beauty, and importance in the natural world. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of these incredible birds. If you found this video interesting, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, let us know in the comments below if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of nature. Take care, and happy bird watching.